Hi guys, welcome back to Lumibella Fashion. I'm Praveena. Today I'm going to show you some exclusive Mangtika collections. These are temple and Nagas inspired designs and would be an excellent addition to your bridal or festive attires. All of them are made with brass materials and polished with high quality matte gold. The stone works are made with American diamond and gemstones as well. So you can see I have a bunch of them today. I have about 6 pieces for today's display. So let's just get started from the first one. This is a Lakshmi motif Mangtika. As you can see, it has some intricate goddess Lakshmi detailing. The detailing are very clear, as you can see. Goddess Lakshmi is seated in the lotus. And there is also some floral patterns happening here with American diamond stones and very beautiful golden beads. This is a medium-sized Mangtika. It's definitely not a small one. It's a medium-sized one. Also, it is a lightweight version. Doesn't weigh as much as it looks. There's a lot of floral ruby flowers happening in the chain. It's a single layer one. It comes with a very strong hook, so it can hold the Mangtika well. The back side is also well plated. The collections which I'm showing today, all of them looks exactly like gold. It's a gold replica collection. It's retailing at rupees 1295. The next one is also a temple inspired Mangtika and it looks exactly like gold. It comes with the cluster golden pearls at the bottom and again Lakshmi work with peacock in the sides. Throughout the Mangtika there is lots of cluster pearls arranged. This is also a single layered Mangtika. And it's more lengthier than the other ones. So if you are looking for some complete temple style setup, this would be the best choice to go with. And the back side is well polished. Although it looks very heavy, it also weighs light. As you can see, the back side is hollow. It's retailing at 1395. Next one is this Krishna Radha inspired Mangtika. It's retailing at 1095. As you can see, there's lots of floral work and golden bead work happening. And in the middle, Lord Krishna and Radha are beautifully engraved. There's also floral patterns and there's also a hook at the end. This gives a nice antique finish to the Mangtika. Next one is one of the best sellers and lightweight, although it looks heavy. A very nice temple inspired Nethi Chutti. This is retailing at 997. It comes with nicely formed ruby stone hangings with goddess Lakshmi and peacocks, and also a very nice floral pattern pendant in the middle connected with a layer chain which has a lot of American diamonds embedded. The polish is really nice even in the back side. If you're looking for something which is lightweight but still looks heavy, then this is the one. Next comes a peacock style Mangtika. This is retailing at 995. It comes with a nice ruby stone and golden pearls. Also there is a coin style Lakshmi engravement in the middle of the pendant, Mangtika pendant, which continues throughout the chain. There's two peacock work as well, each at one side. And as you can see, there's 5 coin style chain attached to the heavy pendant. The back side is also well covered. It's also a lightweight one. So the last piece for this collection is this really lightweight Lakshmi Tika. It's suitable for even kids. As you can see, the chain layer is very thin and the pendant is like completely comes with work of American diamonds and a small flower which connects the chain and the pendant, again with golden pearls. These pearls can be customized if you guys have that requirement, like we can change it with white pearls or even golden pearls, plain ones. Depends upon your requirement. We try maximum to give what you guys are expecting. Like few brides have expectations to have white pearls or just a plain golden pearls, or they even want to customize it with their neck sets, some green pearls. So we will be able to help you with those things. So here are the beautiful 6 pieces I wanted to display and show you guys. There are lots of Mang Tikas available in our website. You can go and check it out. There are various ranges. We have from starter to the most expensive ones. We also have multi layers. We have 3 layers and even 5 layer Mang Tikas. It purely depends upon your requirement of what you're looking for. The details of all these Mang Tikas is mentioned in the description section. So all of these stickers, just check it out in the description section to get what the price and where's the link is. If you click the link, you can go directly to the website. You can also check all our neck set and earring collections in our website lumibellafashion.co.in, and also our apps are available in Play Store and Apple Store. It's in the name of Lumibella Fashion. Not just the temple ones, we do have the normal ones with the normal floral and peacock design. So our collection is not limited to just temples and nagas. It's like very broad. We have thousands of designs in all the patterns, even neck sets, earrings, ear chains, and even pendants. You can have a look in our website. I'll repeat it again. It's lumibellafashion.co.in, or you can just go to Google and just search for Lumibella Fashion. You will get the complete details about our website, our app, and what are the social media platforms we are in. Thank you so much for watching. Do drop a comment if you need to see some other collections from our end. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.